Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Singapore school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.tts.edu.sg. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Tanglin Trust School Singapore. In this main page, right corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for academic year 22-23. So teaching portion for academic year 22-23, infant school teaching job, junior school teaching job, senior school teaching roles, available portion for administration vacancies. So all the vacancies are available here. For example, if you are interested in infant school teaching portion, you can click this link. This position teaching role for academic year 22-23. They are seeking appoint experienced infant teacher. Minimum 2 but preferably 3 to 4 years of post qualified teacher experience in the British curriculum. So all applicant include CV and letter of application must be submitted via online system below. The closing date of application is Friday 1st October 2025. Before that you can submit your job application. In case of any queries you can contact via email facultyrecruit@tts.edu.sg. So this is infant school teaching portion. Junior school teaching roles. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching roles for junior school. Class teacher with responsibility as a head of here. So job description available in the below. Next one is class teacher, physical education specialist. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, experience, etc. This job is closing date is 1st October 2021. For example, if you want to know job description for physical education teacher, you can click this job description. If you click this link, you can get one PDF. Physical education specialist junior school job description. Mission and vision, core strength, co-curriculum, campus facilities, life at Tanglin, Tanglin Junior School, the role of this school, what are the key responsibilities for PE teacher, personal attributes, safeguarding. Finally, how to apply, they are given here. Please apply online at one link available. If we click this link, it will be redirected to the online application form. So this is the job description for PE teacher. Otherwise, if you are interested senior school teacher, you can click this link. Senior school teaching role, academic 22-23, head of life skill, assistant head of faculty mathematics, position available for January 2022 start, head of film and media, design and technology, mathematics, physics and science. So these are the job vacancies. This job vacancies closing date is Friday 1st October 2021. Before that you can submit your application. Physics and science, the experience is 3 to 4 years experience in either British curriculum or IB. Make sure before applying, please check all the details. So job description also available for all the position. So all the positions are going to start January 2022. So admin vacancies, what are the available position? Full-time relief teacher, temporary admission executive, senior procurement manager, relief customer service officer, administrative assistant, housekeeping assistant, supply teaching and learning assistant, supply teacher. So these are the available position for admin and leadership vacancies. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can click this link. For example, if you are interested for supply teacher, you can click this link, supply teacher. So this is the infant and junior school, minimum 2 to 4 years qualified teacher experience in British curriculum. Senior school also 2 to 4 years in British curriculum or IB. So interested applicant are invited to send their letter of application and CV to the HR department. So one by one you can check. full-time relief teacher, infant relief teacher, junior relief teacher, senior relief teacher. This job application is closing date 15th October. So interested candidate are invited to apply via the online recruitment system below. So if you are interested, you can click the link apply here. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So all this person how to apply. For example, if you are interested for senior school teaching position for assistant head of faculty mathematics. So here apply now. You can click this link apply now. It will be redirected to the online application form. So what are the current vacancies? Right corner available, what are the position, when is the closing date, all the details available in the right corner. If you wish to apply for these job vacancies, first you have to register your account. If you do not have an account, please register a new account. Left corner available register. For example, if you want to register, you can click this register. So please enter your account details. So all fields are compulsory, your email ID, date of birth, password and confirm password. Finally you can give your declaration, then registers. So if you do like this, your account will be activated. So already I am having account, so I am directly log in my account. So if I log in my account, I can get my profile section. So apply for a position. So before you proceed the application, please have the following ready: your photograph either JPG format, your cover letter and CV one PDF file format. Limit file name characters to alphanumeric, spaces, hyphen and underscore. Compress your files to smaller size if possible. So before you proceed the application, make sure you get ready all those things. Apply for position. If you click this link apply for position, the first one is the online application come. This application form should take approximately 20 minutes to complete. So please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. First one is your personal details. You can fill your all the details. Then you can give it to save and next. So which position are going to apply? So mandatory fill asterisks are mandatory. So you have to fill which position are going to apply. You can upload your photo here. Once you have uploaded, it will be so what are the teaching qualification? Where are you currently teaching? Police clearance check, criminal offense, safeguarding, dependent information and reference check. So you have to give your 3 referees. The 3 referees are mandatory. Additional information. Finally you can give your declaration. So once you have give the declaration, you can submit your job application. Submit application. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply. Tanglin Trust School, Singapore. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.